I just look at my room. See. I've been here since I'm just looking for a place to keep my phone. I'm coming back. So guys, like I was saying, I've been sitting here since morning. I think around past 2 or so. Like this semester has been on my neck like this. School is not easy. School is not easy. Let me not lie to you. Especially my school in particular. My school is not easy. Anyway, today is on Saturday and my first test is on Monday. And apart from that, I also need to submit this particular practical. And so I need to submit this particular practical on Monday. Yes. I don't know how Monday is going to be for me. Not just Monday. I don't know how next week is going to be for me. I just know next week is going to be very, very hectic for me. And this particular vlog that I started, I don't know when I'll be uploading it. I don't know. Like, I'm so surprised how I am able, or how I was able to combine school, especially this semester, and YouTube together. And YouTube is not reciprocating that energy I'm giving out. But anyway, we started, we cannot stop. Right now, okay, let me say my intention of starting YouTube was because of, that small cash now. That's my intention of starting YouTube. But right now, I'll just say I am still on YouTube, or I am on YouTube because of you guys. Like, nothing else. YouTube money. How much is in my YouTube AdSense? If I say it, then you guys might be surprised, but I kind of feel you guys are expecting to hear something very big. But don't worry, I'll definitely be making a video on my first, the first money I made in the first, the first amount I made, and the first month I got monetized. Like, I don't want to say that YouTube is not worth the hype, but this is a disclaimer, please. This is my opinion. YouTube is worth it though, if you have the strength, the energy, the I don't know how to put it. If you have the mental capacity, the mental, I don't know, if you can endure YouTube, then it is for you. So for those asking me, I don't know if you're going to watch this video, but for those asking me about YouTube, for those in my DMs, if you think you can endure a lot of things, you think you can endure some setbacks on YouTube, or some setbacks in your career on YouTube, then you should start. You get what I'm saying? So guys, once I'm done boiling the chicken, I will just fry it. And I don't even think I'll be making that soup today. But I don't know the way our electricity is right now. If I have the strength, I'll make this night. But if I don't have the strength, I think I'm just going to leave it till maybe tomorrow when I get back from church. Since today is on Saturday. Guys, I'm so tired. Like, I can't wait for this semester to come to an end. Like, I need to go home. I need to hug my mom. I need someone, like, I need somebody to hug me and tell me it's all fine. I'm so tired, guys. Like, in fact, let me just say that's the main reason why I am talking in this part of this video. I think there are sometimes it does not have to be a silence vlog or true. Yeah, sometimes you just have to talk with your subscribers, with the people that loves you.
morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. And happy Sunday. I didn't go to church. Yes, I didn't go to church for some reason. I was having stomach ache, so I couldn't go to church. My stomach was really disturbing me. There's no way I would have gone to church and be comfortable. So I'm just waking up, and guys, this is currently 2:11 in the morning, and I still feel like sleeping. Anyway, I just want to clean my room, just sweep, take my bed, and make something to eat, just something light. I'm so tired. My stomach is really paining me. Anyway, come with me, guys.